I can't believe that happened. Why did that lady just take my house away? Now I have to live in this wreck. Seriously? At least I have food. Water. My piggy bank with my savings. I just wish I could have my old house again. I don't know why that lady just took my house. I cannot believe this. Wait, who's there? Hello? What do you want?
Hi, I'm just saying that, like, you can't have your house anymore.
What?
Well, like, a lady sent me here, and, like, your bills are overdue.
But you can't just take my...
I'm sorry, miss, but...
I'm gonna pack. I can't believe all this bad stuff is happening to me. What did I ever do? All I did was just have a few maids and didn't give them money, because why would they want my money? I mean, they just need to clean up my house. They're maids. Okay. So...
Hello, are you even done yet?
Sorry, miss.
Hurry up!
I'm going to, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna have my last meal. I'm just so used to turkey dinners and all those good stuff, and now I'm having mac and cheese. Serious? I'm ready.
Okay, good. Sorry again. I was kind of being impatient.
Why do all these stuff happen to me? This is not fair. I used to be rich, cool, pretty, but now I'm just this homeless, poor person. What did I ever do to deserve this? Living in the woods? I just have to be grateful I'm alive. Who are you?
I'm just here. I'm asking if I could be like a maid or something. I just like need to earn money.
Come in. Just saying, you're gonna have to do a lot of work. Hurry up. Why are you so slow?
I'm sorry. I just haven't ate in a while.
Well, it's not my problem. Just cook me some things.
Okay, I guess.
Well, like, I don't have good cooking. Okay, just cook me something good. I don't care if it's something or whatever. Just... Maids. People just come randomly to people's house thinking they could do something good, but end up feeling horribly.
Oh gosh, what am I gonna do? I don't know how to cook anything and the girls are already expecting me to do something. I can be punished for this. I never really thought of this straight. I'll just go tell the girl. I'm sorry, but I don't really know how to cook. I mean, I'm a maid, but like, you could like teach me. I mean, I could do better stuff. Anything for you. I mean, I just need some money.
I don't need you anyway. Why did I even ever hire you? You're just poor. You don't know how to do anything. Go live in a hole or whatever. I don't care if you're poor.
If you say so, I'm sorry.
Whoa. What did you do to me?
You seem like you don't like giving people money. I mean, you're rich, but...
Why did you do this to me? This is not my home. This is not my bed. The walls are dirty. And what is that? My microwave?
You know what you've done. You just have to be good. I will be back. The time when you realize your mistake. You'll be seeing me.
Wait, what? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Why am I here? What did I do? Where did she go? And what happened to my clothes? They're so ugly. Okay, I don't really know what the girl's talking about, but I guess I have to be good. I am still wondering what she means. Those flashbacks seem to give me a clue, though. I'll just do something. Those are really some pretty houses, just like how my house used to look like. I just don't get what I deserve, why I have to have such an ugly house, and why my clothes had suddenly just changed. And also to add, all my money is gone. Now I have to find a job and probably no one's gonna accept me. My appearance can make anyone run away because of how bad I had turned into. I'll at least try applying for a job at Pizza Planet and hopefully they'll accept. I'm looking for a job.
I'm sorry, miss, but it looks like you don't have any experience.
Well, I'm a good cook. I could cook or like serve food.
Sorry, miss, doesn't like you're capable of having the job.
Ugh, I just hate how people judge people by their appearance. I met this girl before. Maybe she'll recognize me and give me the job. Hey, remember me? Remember me as your friend?
I'm sorry, miss, but I think you added the wrong person.
I remember my appearance changed and I look like a total different person. Thanks a lot. I never even had the chance to ask for a job, but maybe Styles will give me one. Whoa, that lady was intense. I am not going back there again. What in the world am I supposed to do now? No one's accepting me for a job and I look like a completely different person, so no one would recognize me. I just hope I would figure out what that lady meant so I could just have my house back and my appearance. Hello, what are you doing here?
Hey, miss, homeless person. Looks like you're looking for a job. Maybe you could apply, as a janitor.
Yes, I'm looking for a job and I'm not homeless. But sure, where do we get it?
Just follow me, miss. I'll show you where. It's really close.
Whatever, just bring me there.
Oh, and I forgot to say, sorry for calling you homeless. Anyway, I'll bring you to the boss. Be aware he is kinda serious, I'll say.
Whatever, all I need is money, okay? So, yeah, bye. Okay, let's talk.
If you want a job, just go into that closet and just clean the place up. Bye.
Well, I didn't even get to talk, but... Okay. Where did the lady go? Whatever. Okay. Yeah. I guess I'm part of the green cleaning services, not one of those fancy jobs I used to have at Pizza Planet. I tried, but I guess I have to clean walls. Ew. I can't believe I have this job. It's so dirty, the floors, and why do people even litter? Not like I litter that much. I wish I could have that job on Pizza Planet. And if I had an option also on Bloxburg. But I guess I have to be a janitor. For now. I just remember those good days where I had maids who served me whatever I wanted. And also when I had a job in Pizza Planet and earned like almost 100,000 per serve or whatever you call it. Let's just get focused on getting promoted.